Best DUI lawyer near me. That's a search term I see often when I'm checking out the search results for my own website, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, you may have typed in that, which caused you to either go to my website and see this video or get this video on YouTube or different outlets. But just don't limit yourself to best DUI lawyer near you. You've been charged with a DUI. Very serious charge. Don't let geographical limitations stop you from seeking the best attorney to represent you for DUI. There's three things I believe that you should pay attention to in the order of most important to third important, but there's not much difference between the three. The first thing, ladies and gentlemen, does your lawyer actually take DUI cases to trial, whether that trial's been in front of a jury or a judge? If he hasn't, don't hire him. One of the key things in building a reputation as a lawyer is, do you take cases to trial? Have you been doing that during your career? DAs will know this. Judges will know this. Police will know this. That gives you a lot of not only respect, but a lot more power in negotiating as a lawyer on behalf of your clients. If you're known to take a case to trial, the DAs respect that, and they treat you different as an attorney, which benefits you, ladies and gentlemen. A lawyer who doesn't try DUI cases, a DA will make an offer. Basically, all the lawyer's left with is, pretty please cut my client a break. Or maybe there actually is some suppression issues or some legal issues, but if they fail on those motions, what's left? You go to trial or take a deal. If a DA doesn't believe you're going to take a deal, they're not changing the offer, which can affect you, ladies and gentlemen. So that's the first thing to know. Do they take cases to trial? The second thing, when you're looking for the best lawyer for you, and not, again, as I said, it shouldn't be the best DUI lawyer near you, is, does the lawyer know the science of the blood and breath testing, the science behind the field sobriety testing, as well as many other scientific aspects of your case? But the chemical test, blood or breath, and the field sobriety test, especially the blood or breath test, are the two key pieces of evidence that they use to try to show that you're impaired. They're only portions of the case. In fact, the field sobriety test is actually the third out of four things that the police officer is looking for in a DUI case, but they like to stress that. So you need a lawyer that knows that. Particularly, you should have a lawyer who has gone to the same courses that the police have taken. The standardized field sobriety testing course, lawyers can take it. Good lawyers have taken it. People who say they handle DUI defense don't. The third thing, ladies and gentlemen, is, does your lawyer and his staff communicate with you? It does no good to hire a lawyer who won't talk to you. It does no good to hire a lawyer who won't explain why he's giving you the advice he does. And just as crucial is to have a good staff, because they're the ones that are going to inform you about court. You know, you miss court, get a bench warrant, go to jail. Not a good thing. Do you have questions? Is there a local rehab you might be looking for? What drug and alcohol counselors to go to? A well-informed DUI defense attorney staff is going to have answers to those questions. But if it's in an area they haven't dealt with before, they're going to ask the lawyer, because the lawyer knows, and they will get back to you. So those are the three things you should look for, ladies and gentlemen. Does the lawyer try DUI cases? Does the lawyer know the science of blood and breath testing as well as field sobriety testing? Will the lawyer communicate with you and educate you both at the beginning, middle, and end of your case? And will their staff contact you when necessary? This is Brian Manchester, Manchester & Associates. We do all three. In fact, myself, I lecture nationally to lawyers across the state of Pennsylvania and in different portions of the country on how to defend DUI cases using chemistry. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day.